Untitled friends! Welcome back again to my channel. I'm Euanne Hyuna. Today's video, I want to show you how to remove your blackheads using the toothbrush and the toothpaste. Yes, using the toothpaste and the toothbrush. So if you want to learn how to use it step by step, watch this whole video. But before we start, don't forget to click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Let's be friends! So let's start now! Ta-da! Yes, Unanimous friends, in this video, I want to show you how to remove blackheads overnight with toothpaste, salt, and toothbrush step by step. Step 1. You need to wash your face with warm water. I'm done wash my face with the warm water. So now we are in the step 2. Make a mixture of toothpaste and salt. We need a small container. Put the amount of toothpaste that you needed. Then add the salt. Now, you need to mix it well. Now it's done. We move on in the step 3. We need to apply it on your nose using this toothbrush. But take note, Unanimous, before applying into your nose, just do a run test. Get a little toothpaste and put on your skin. Wait until 2 minutes. And if you don't find any problem, just continue apply it on your nose. But it gives you irritation kinds of feeling or redness, do rinse it with water as soon as possible. Okay? Now we continue applying now in my nose to get rid all my blackheads and impurities. Now we need to move on step 4. We need to leave it 8 to 10 minutes and then rinse it with the water. Now we are in step 5. Use ice to free the pores and stop from getting attacked by bacteria right after the treatment. Unanimous friends, if you find this video a really big help, don't forget to like and share. I really appreciate it. And if you not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video, because you got me and I got you. Just leave the message in the comment box below and I'll be back to you, I promise. I love you. Until next video. Thank you for subscribing me. Bye.